video, I'm going to take a look at point-slope form of a line. The equation looks like y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. All right, so indicating those points, x sub 1, y sub 1 in red, and the m in red. You've got the slope and a point that's going to be on the line. Everything in red is going to be numbers that you are going to insert in. So if I know the slope of the equation, that's going to be m, and if I am given a point, then I can write the equation in point-slope form. So doing an example of that, let's say that the slope is a 1/2, and my point is 4, -5. Okay, so I can write this going left to right. I'm going to do y. Now, because that's a minus y sub 1, right there in the formula I have a negative. Right here I have a negative. Those negatives indicate that I need to take the opposite of whatever I have. Okay, so this is a y, which is -5, but I don't want -5 because it's going to be minus a -5, which will make it a +5, is equal to my slope, which is 1/2, parentheses, x, again, minus, I'm going to do the opposite of what I see. I have a positive 4, so I will -4. Okay, so the equation written in point-slope form. All right, so if I do another example, this time let's say we have a slope that equals -4 and a point of -2 and -6. Going left to right, I'm going to have y. I'm going to take a look at whatever my y is. It says -6, so I'm going to go +6 is equal to, my slope is -4 times the quantity x. I see my x value as being -2, so I'm going to go +2. So straightforward writing the equation by putting those 2 points in. Okay, now if I did the opposite and I was given an equation in point-slope form, such as y minus 7 is equal to a -2/3 times the quantity x plus 8. From there, if I was asked to identify the point and identify the slope, well, the slope is going to be right there. That's my slope. And then for my ordered pair, this value is my x sub 1, this value is my y sub 1, and then I would be sure, and when I pull those numbers out, to write them with the opposite signs. So my x coordinate is an 8, so for my ordered pair, I need a -8. The y1 value right here is a -7. I pull out the opposite, and I have a 7. So the point on the line is -8, 7, and the slope is the -2/3. So when given an equation in point-slope form, I can identify the point on the line as well as the slope. Definitely, if the videos are helping you, thanks for watching and share with your friends. Thanks.